Hey, I'm Lala. Today's my birthday. Alan sent me a gift. Wow, a liter box? Uh-oh, wrong place. Look, it's moving! So spacious! Woohoo! It's starting to work! Oh, it did better than Alan! No waste piling up! And no smell! Awesome! Alan, where did you get this?
Well, I designed it for you. Manual refill. Set rolling. Not odor resistant. No.
He did it! Wow! You know what? It's been a week. And my toilet still remains dry and clean. Alan can focus on his own things without worrying about me. And deodorize and sterilize. No smell. Whoa! Lemmy's approaching and it stops. The Lemmy's light. Hit detected. Bro, Alan can check our health condition. Uh-oh, quite a bit of poop. Tilt, push, a lift, easy! Thanks, Alan. I love it.